This is the A1 Tape's clear acrylic packaging tape. It is designed for everyday carton sealing, shipping boxes, and general packaging applications. Each roll measures 48 millimeters wide by 75 meters long, making it suitable for standard packing stations, warehouses, e-commerce dispatch areas, and retail back-of-house use. This tape is made with a clear acrylic adhesive, helping create a clean and reliable seal on cardboard cartons. Because the tape is clear, it allows carton markings, shipping labels, and barcodes to remain visible after application. The range is available in two thickness options. The 45 micron option is suitable for general carton sealing and everyday packaging. The 50 micron option provides a heavier duty alternative for businesses wanting extra strength and durability. Both options can be used with standard 48mm tape dispenser guns for faster and more consistent application. Available in smaller packs, full cartons, and bulk buy options, A1 Tape's clear acrylic packaging tape is a practical choice for businesses that need reliable carton sealing every day.